How to fix Capcut network error on PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix a Capcut network error on PC, the first step would be to check for your Wi-Fi connection. For that, you can just click on the Wi-Fi icon and make sure that your Wi-Fi is at optimum speed. If you are still facing this issue in the search bar, go ahead and search for command prompt. You need to type in ipconfig / and flush DNS. This will help you to refresh your network. Make sure that it has said successfully flush the DNS. After you do so, you can go ahead and refresh your PC and try to connect with your network. Another thing that you can do is you can try with a better Wi-Fi connection. If not, make sure to go ahead and switch your DNS. To do so, just press on the eye icon or head over to your settings and check out network and internet. From here, you can click on edit next to DNS and from automatic tap on manual and toggle on the IPv4. Type in 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate DNS you can type in 8.8.4.4. Then you can just tap on the save option, after which the network issue for your CapCut will be solved. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.